Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Maths Time. In the previous video, we discussed about the number line, rational numbers, natural numbers and whole numbers and some of the problems. So today, we will discuss about the irrational numbers. This is number line and 0. You will get here the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. These are natural numbers. These are negative numbers, that is whole numbers. Then set of integers. Then in between these are rational numbers. Apart from these numbers, we are getting some numbers which are not expressed in the form of P by Q. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. Then what is the meaning of irrational numbers? On the number line there are some numbers. Example, root 1, square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, like 0.001. So these numbers are also on the number line and they cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q form. So such numbers are called irrational numbers. So how will you define the irrational numbers? S is an irrational number which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. Then on the number line we will get how many types of numbers? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers along with the irrational numbers. So all the rational numbers plus irrational numbers. These sets of numbers are called what? These are called real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are the collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers. All real numbers can be located on the, we can locate on the number line. So how will you locate the irrational number on the number line? Before locating the irrational numbers on the number line, we will just go to the little geometry. In geometry, there is a Pythagoras theorem. We will apply the Pythagoras theorem for locating the irrational number. So what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? In detail we will study it in the 10th standard, but just we will study it. ABC is a right angle triangle, B is 90 degree and AC is called hypotenuse. That is the side opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse, AB and BC are other sides. Suppose if the length of AB is 3 units and BC is 4 units, then Pythagoras theorem states that AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Means if we square the sides of both sides of the right angle triangle, then it is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. See here, this is AB is 3 and BC is 4. It becomes 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16, that is 25. That is AC square equal to 25, AC equal to square root of 25, that is 5. This is the Pythagoras theorem. This we use in the irrational numbers. How will use the in locating the irrational number means, first let's see root 2. We have to locate root 2 on the rational number means, here in locating root 2 we will take again right angle triangle. We will take A, B, C, and this is B is a right angle triangle. We will measure AB as 1 unit and BC as 1 unit. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, what is AB square plus BC square equal to AC square? That is 1 square plus 1 square equal to, that is AC square. AC square equal to 1 plus 1, 2. AC is equal to square root of 2. This is square root of 2. Now we will use this idea, this theorem in locating the state, in the locating the irrational number. So let's first we will start the locating root 2. It is given in the textbook also. See here in the textbook. Example, locate root 2 on a number line and locate root 3 on the number line. So how we will locate that? First we have to draw the number line here, and this is 0, and we have to take the scale as 1 unit as 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. ನೀವು 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 unit. Then this is another unit. 1 unit, second unit. Like this here also you locate the numbers like this. That is, it becomes 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. This is 1 unit. This is OA, name as OA. Now what you have to do is, you have to use protractor here, and taking protractor on O, on A, you draw a perpendicular line. Like this you have to mark here, and then this is 1 unit. This is cut here as 1 unit. ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್. 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್. ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ C. Then join OC. This we have joined OC. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, this is right angle triangle OAC, or you keep it as B. This is right angle triangle. This is 1 unit and this is 1 unit. Automatically this is 2 unit. By how? By Pythagoras theorem. That is 1 square plus 1 square equal to 2 square, that is root 2. This is root 2. Now root 2 is length of OB. Then how we will locate this on the number line? We have to locate the root 2 on number line. Now making OB as radius like this. Making OB as radius, we have to draw the like this arc on the number line. See here, making OB as radius, mark a point on the number line. Means OB is root 2 mein, this is also root 2. Now point this mark as OC. This point is root 2. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಂಬರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ O ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 2. ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನಾನು 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. Here also 3 centimeter, here also 3 centimeters. You may take 2 centimeter as 1 unit or 3 centimeters as 1 unit. But you have to write this one. How will you get? This is OA square plus AB square equal to OB square, that is 1 square plus 1 square equal to OB square. OB square equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. OB equal to root 2. This calculation we have to write in the side. Tagadu next compass ಇಂದ we have to cut this side AB. This is the root 2 on the national number. Then we have to, second one is, this is root 2. Then second one is root 3. ರೂಟ್ 3 ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದ ಮೆಥಡಿಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ root 2 you have indicated, located on the number line. Means this is OB is root 2. Then we have to draw another perpendicular of 1 unit for on the B line, on the point B here. You have to draw again 90 degree, mark 90 degree here, and 1 unit. You have to take 1 unit because root 2 is here. This is 1 unit. And now you make an arc here and join this line. And join here also. OB, this is C. This is 1 unit. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ OAB ನಲ್ಲಿ A ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್, OBC ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ B ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 OA ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ OB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು OB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, OB ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಬಂತು. ಇವಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ OC. ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಬೈ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್? OC square equal to OB square plus BC square. That is, OB how much? Root 2. Root 2 square plus BC 1. Root 2 whole square means root 2 into root 2, that is 2 plus 1. This is 3. OC square equal to 3. Therefore, OC equal to root 3. This is root 3. I think you have understood how we will apply the Pythagoras theorem here. You have to go on repeating the same procedure. If root 3, if given root 5 means again here you have to draw one triangle. Now making OC as radius. Making OC as radius means OC is root 3. OC measurement ನಮಗೆ root 3 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಈ root 3 ನ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ and cut here. This point is root 3. This is the procedure for drawing, locating root 2 and root 3 on the number line. In the next video, we will solve the exercise. See here, in textbook also it is given in detail. You may see there also. Here 1 unit and root 2. See here. Locate 3 on number line means here this is root 2 is located, and OB, making OB as one side, again OBD triangle is constructed and you will get OD as root 3. This is the point Q. I hope you have understood the procedure. In the next video we will solve the exercise. Okay, thank you. Bye.